DePape is accused of trying attack federal official and attempting attack a close family member. Retaliate against the authority perform close family member. He started negotiations shortly afternoon on Wednesday. The members of the Guri did not make any decision until 1700. So he will meet again on Thursday morning and will continue to negotiate. In case, which was emphasized by exploitation tears events on October 28, 2022. Testimony caused DePape hit Paul Pelosi several times with a hammer, broke his skull and wound his hands and arms. 43-year-old DePape. Jury members. Government's corruption. Government as government. He said he went to Pelosi's house part a larger plan. End. David DePape cries while witnessing the federal hearing in the attack on Paul Pelosi dated 14 November 2023. He shaped his worldview with the continuous consumption of the far-right media and aligned with conspiracy theories inspired by Qanon. The prosecutor's office gave the closing arguments point at some point, stressing that the law enforcement officers were Nancy Pelosi's package leader and why he went to Pelosi on October 28, 2022. A list of targets. Unauthorized entry in Pelosi's house would be on a list targets containing progressive politicians, celebrities. A list an ominous route that enables the country to ruin. Gavin Newsom. California Congress Member Adam Schiff. Actor Tom Hanks. Hunter Biden. Son President Joe Biden. And Professor Women Queer Research at the University Michigan.Gayle Rubin was defined as Target.1 In court newspapers. During the attack, Richmond said, Canada citizen, who lives in a garage, said that his plan was to accept corruption of Nancy Pelosi and other targets. If he lied, I would break his directory. He said, he asked him to forgive his goals in order to move as a country. Terrible attack. Paul Pelosi, who testified on Monday, gave attack for the first time to public. He would tie me and wait for him. Pelosi said he was able to buy his mobile phone and called 911. But when the police arrived, DePape told him that he had to get out of you. Legal experts said that a long negotiation could be a promising sign for the DePape and the defense team. We see the attack itself. So everyone has seen it. So the jury means that they don't just think the violence and savagery of what we see, but they think other things. Prosecutor Anthony Brass. Defense has never been challenging whom, what or when the attack, but that DePape had be acquitted, because attempting abduct a federal and the accusations of a federal official should be linked Pelosi's tasks, and not just political reasons. Defense has made a debate on elements crime and legal elements. Defense. Professor Francisco said, in defense. Defense called Pelosi's claim to reserve official duties an allegation of invented to confuse jury with charges. I think the defense probably proved that he didn't plan to hit Paul Pelosi with a hammer.